The blades on this Norelco razor are completely worn out. I'll show you how to replace them. Bought this broken Norelco razor at the thrift store for a couple bucks. The blades are good, but the battery's dead. I could replace the battery with some of these typical nickel metal hydride batteries, but I want the blades instead because I like this razor better. I'll remove the blades on this one first. All these razors come apart a little bit different. This one spins and twists out, and right here are the blades. These blades are in really good shape. We'll put these blades in the new razor. Snap the head off this one. Instead of twisting out, this one pushes forward, and then you just pry it up. The blades themselves are a little bit of a different design. They have this high portion here to where these are low, but the screens themselves are the same. Remove the blades. On this design, we'll have to pry this metal ring up. Here's the snap ring that keeps everything in place. It just presses back in there over the screen. Remove the micro screen. These screens have a slightly different design. You can see the ears on this. You can see this one doesn't have the ears, but they both will work for the application. From the back side, you can really see the hole right in here. The blades just tore it all apart. We'll pull the blades out and then insert this one right in here. You can see that they fit perfect. Put the snap ring in. It only goes in one way. Press the spring clips in, just go all the way around and press them in. With the spring clip in, you can see nothing comes out. All the screens are in really good shape now. Put the blades back in. Put the retention clip back in place. Snap it back on the razor like normal. Sounds like a new razor. And it shaves like a new razor.